My name is Alex Cargill, and I picked to do Mercury. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about the moons, the name and the speed, size, how it is second place, and the core atmosphere location, and when it was a planet, and how it started, and a lot of the history on Mercury. Mercury has no moons. Mercury has little chance to have a moon because of its small gravitational orbit. So as of right now, it does not have one, but it could. Most moons are captured by asteroids, but Mercury cannot capture one because of how close it is to the sun. And the sun has such a strong gravitational pull that it won't allow it. The name, I have a picture of the rotation here because of its name. It goes extremely fast, and it was named Mercury by the Roman messenger Mercury. And it has the highest orbital electricity of all planets, with its distance from the sun ranging from 46 to 70 million kilometers. This is also how close it is to the sun, and I chose this picture because I like that it compares all of the distances and the surface temperature. And if you'll tell, Mercury has the two most extremes, and we come from negative 170 degrees Celsius. Now, we are second place because of our temperature and our mass. This is the second densest planet to Earth is the first densest. And Mercury is actually the second hottest as well. The molten core, we now think is actually liquid instead of solid because of further scientific review. Recently, NASA has changed this idea on their website as well. The Mercury core makes up 42% of its volume, and which you can tell I have the layers shown right here. This is the atmosphere that the solar system continues, and it just shows how much of what makes up each solar system, which in this we are 42% oxygen, 29% sodium, 22% helium, and 0.5% potassium, and of course there's room for other gases in there. And now we ask the location. Where is Mercury? If you stand on the surface of Mercury, you'll see that it is the closest planet to the sun. The sun would appear more than 3 times as large than if we viewed it from Earth because of how close it is to the sun. We see this. This is the model of where it's also located. And this is the Copernicus published where the sun is in the middle, but we are right there in our orbit is like with Earth. And astronomers didn't realize that Mercury was so close, but now they do. These are some fun facts about Mercury because, the Mercury is so hot. And if we were to put Mercury and Earth into perspective, Earth would be a nickel and Mercury would be a P. And it's an insider because it's so close to the sun, all the fun facts about the sun. And then one day on Earth, and these are my citations.